Imagine a world within. This world is inside you. It's a microscopic universe of cells, molecules, and genes. Genes are like blueprints. They tell our bodies how to work. One gene, called DRD2, is very important. It helps create a doorway for dopamine. Dopamine is a chemical messenger. It carries signals between brain cells. These signals are vital for many things. They control how we move, think, and feel. DRD2 acts like a dock for dopamine. Think of it like a ship coming into port. The ship is dopamine. The dock is DRD2. When the ship docks, it unloads its cargo. This cargo is information. This information affects our mood, our focus, and even our decisions. Variations in the DRD2 gene exist. These variations can change the shape of the dopamine dock. Some variations may make the dock less efficient. This can impact how much dopamine is received. This can influence our behavior in profound ways. Dopamine is often called the feel-good chemical. It gives us a surge of pleasure. We experience this pleasure when we achieve something. This could be eating a delicious meal or finishing a challenging task. This feeling of reward is crucial for our survival. It motivates us to repeat behaviors. These behaviors are essential for life, like eating and learning. Dopamine also plays a key role in motivation. Dopamine fuels our drive to seek out rewards. It helps us stay focused on goals. When we learn something new, dopamine strengthens connections in our brain. This helps us remember information. Dopamine is involved in coordinating our movements. It ensures we can move smoothly and purposefully. The DRD2 gene, by influencing dopamine signaling, indirectly impacts all these processes. Variations in this gene, therefore, can impact how we experience reward, learn, and even move. Our personality is a complex tapestry. It is woven from genes, experiences, and choices. The DRD2 gene appears to play a role in shaping certain personality traits. Two traits linked to DRD2 are extraversion and novelty seeking. Extraversion describes how outgoing and sociable a person is. People with certain DRD2 variations tend to be more extroverted. They may have more dopamine receptors. This could make them more sensitive to social rewards. Novelty seeking, as the name suggests, is the desire for new and exciting experiences. People high in novelty seeking are often impulsive and adventurous. They seek thrills and are easily bored by routine. Certain DRD2 variations are associated with increased novelty seeking. These links suggest that DRD2, through its influence on dopamine, might contribute to the diversity of human personality. Imagine this. You see a delicious dessert. You know you should resist, but you can't help yourself. You devour it in seconds. This is impulsivity, acting without thinking about the consequences. Impulsivity is linked to the DRD2 gene. People with certain DRD2 variations may be more impulsive. This is because these variations may lead to lower dopamine signaling. Lower dopamine signaling may lead individuals to seek out activities that provide a quick dopamine boost. This can include risky behaviors or impulsive decisions. They might act without considering the potential negative outcomes. This link between DRD2 and impulsivity has significant implications. It suggests that our genes might play a role in our ability to control our impulses. Money matters. It dictates our lifestyle and our choices. The DRD2 gene, surprisingly, has been linked to how we make financial decisions. Studies suggest that people with certain DRD2 variations are more likely to take risks. They might invest in volatile stocks or gamble with larger sums. They are also more sensitive to immediate rewards. They may choose a smaller reward now over a larger reward later. This suggests that these individuals may be more driven by the immediate gratification of a potential financial gain. They may be less likely to consider the long-term consequences of their choices. This doesn't mean that everyone with these DRD2 variations will make poor financial decisions. However, it suggests that their biology might influence how they weigh risk and reward. The link between DRD2 and financial behavior is more than just a theory. Scientists have conducted studies to understand this connection better. One study found that individuals with a specific DRD2 variant were more likely to choose smaller, immediate rewards over larger, delayed rewards. This suggests that this gene variant might be associated with a preference for immediate gratification. Another study explored the link between DRD2 and investment behavior. They found that individuals with certain variations were more likely to engage in riskier investment strategies. This suggests that these individuals might be more drawn to the thrill of potential high returns, even if it means taking on more risk. These studies provide compelling evidence that our genes, particularly DRD2, can influence our economic behavior in subtle but significant ways. We are just beginning to understand the profound interplay between our genes and our financial decisions. The DRD2 gene is just one piece of the puzzle. As we delve deeper into the world of genetics, we will likely uncover even more genes that influence our relationship with money. This knowledge has the potential to revolutionize the financial industry. Imagine a future where financial advisors use genetic information to tailor investment strategies to an individual's risk tolerance, or where personalized interventions are developed to help individuals make sound financial decisions based on their genetic predispositions. The future of finance might be more personalized and proactive, guided by a deeper understanding of our genetic blueprint. However, it's essential to remember that genes are not destiny.